Hi, I'm Pauline from Gitpod and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the different ways you can contribute to Gitpod and how to become an active part of our growing community. The first way you can contribute to Gitpod is by spreading the word. You can share your experiences using Gitpod on Twitter, LinkedIn, or any other platform. Feel free to write blog posts, guides, record YouTube videos, and let others know why Gitpod is a game changer for developers. Number 2 is contributing to our documentation. The documentation is the backbone of any project. You can help us improve the user experience by contributing to it, whether it's updating the documentation, providing examples, or suggesting improvements. Your contribution will empower users and make Gitpod even better. Number 3 is reporting issues and providing feedback. Your feedback is invaluable in helping us identify and address any challenges people may be facing. You can also send any feedback into our community Discord server in the feedback channel. Number 4 is contributing to gitpod-samples. So gitpod-samples is a collection of Gitpod tutorials, templates, and integrations that's contributed by Gitpod and the community. You can help us keep templates up to date or even create your own. Number 5, help answer questions and support others in our community. Share your knowledge by answering questions on our community Discord server. Supporting others not only helps them, but it also strengthens our community and fosters collaboration. Number 6, host a community meetup. We host community meetups across the world. We'd love to work and see how we can bring Gitpod to your city. And so there you have it, the top ways to contribute to Gitpod. Remember, contributing is not just about writing code. Your advocacy, documentation improvements, feedback, and support are equally important. And by getting involved in these different ways, you not only enhance your own skills, but also help shape the future of Gitpod and support our mission of telling the world about cloud development environments. Join our community today over at gitpod.io/community, and we hope to see you there.